So welcome back to DIY Willy. Today we're in the Silverado. In preparations to get a video up for next week, I have some footage of replacing the battery in the Silverado. A couple weeks back, it was giving me a low voltage warning on the truck, and I know that it'll do that a few times before it actually goes bad. I think the first time when I replaced the stock battery, it gave me that warning 4 times, maybe 5 times, before it started to drag when you're starting it. This time it just gave it to me twice, and I replaced the battery quickly. I didn't want to have to worry about having a low battery. So it's a really easy process. There's a few things you got to remove to get the battery out. There's like a little support bracket that's kind of looks like a C shape, and that goes from the firewall to the fender. It's got 4 bolts in it. You just take, I think they're 13mm. You just take that out, and then there's one battery tie down or hold down bolt. You take that bolt out, and then you lift the battery out at an angle, and it comes out in the opening there between the radiator reservoir and the firewall. It's not hard. It's really easy to do. Like I said, I have that footage already, and I'll go ahead and put it together and have that video released. So I have other projects going. I have more projects on the frontier. I have that I've already filmed. I'm just trying to edit it and put it together for the Samurai also. More projects, again, editing and putting them together. And a mini bike. I've got like 2 or 3 things going on the mini bike that I'm working on, but I don't have anything ready. So I'll put this battery up. Hey, it's easy. Somebody might use it. Might help somebody, you know, might help them out. So yeah, if you haven't already, please subscribe. Give it a thumbs up, give it a like. You know, I like those likes. They're nice. It's good to see them. It makes you feel good inside. If you give it a thumbs down, hey, that's okay. That's all right too. It just helps me to you know, make better content. If you leave a comment explaining why you gave it a thumbs down, that really helps out. I love comments, by the way. I answer all of them. I get comments from all over the world. I think my last comment was Austria, and that's amazing. It's crazy that this information gets all over the place. But anyway, if you haven't already, subscribe and give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and enjoy the video. It's a really simple video, changing the battery out. I think I chose a Duralast battery. It's an AGM type battery, and see how long it lasts. The last one was a regular lead acid battery, and it lasted me about 4 years. So we'll see. The AGM battery, I think, also has a 4-year warranty. It should be about the same, but we'll see. You know, we'll see how long it lasts. So to get the battery out, we're gonna take this piece off right here. I just had all this off when I did the motor mounts. You know, it'd be so much better if I could do it all at once. If I knew this stuff was gonna happen. You know, if we just knew this stuff was gonna happen. But things fail when it fails. Get that out of the way. So I gotta get to that bolt that's right down in there. I don't know if you can see that. There's a bolt down there. Right there. That's the battery hold down bolt. Got our 13mm here. We'll go down there and get that. That's the hold down for the battery. Okay, looks like that. 13mm. Now the 10mm can loosen up the terminals, and we're good to go. There we go. Whoa, step moved. Okay, like I said, there's the old battery, and let's see, I saw a date on it somewhere. Oh, that's a 42 month. Wow, that's got a little bit more warranty on it. But this one, oh, 16. July 16th. That's got 4 years on it, right? 4-year battery, actually. This is what I got. It's a Duralast AGM technology. This is an H6 AGM, 760 cold cranking amps, 950 cranking amps at 32 degrees, 120 minute reserve capacity at 70 amps. So yeah, it's a little bit more than that one, but yeah, I've never tried this brand of battery. It's got good reviews. I don't see why it wouldn't be a good battery. AGM is good technology. It's been around a while. I'll get it put in and get the truck charged back up. So this one, I don't see where it says what it is, how much amperage or hours or whatever. Anyway, let's get that one put back in. Hopefully it's a little bit easier to maneuver with those handles it has. Now the newer Silverados have the H7, and basically the only difference between the H7 is more power. It's I think it's 1,000 cold cranking amps instead of 900, and a little bit longer. It's almost an inch longer than this H6. And I could have put the H7 in. All I would have had to do is bend this tab down right here, and that would have given me enough room to put it in and still have the lockdown, everything in the right place. I should have done it. That would have been a good idea to give me just a little bit more power. But, I mean, this is good enough. This is what the truck's designed to use, so shouldn't be a problem. Let's get it in there. Tall trucks. At least this one got handles. Oh. Ooh, got the finger. Helps a little bit. There we go. Ah, it got me right there. Look at that. Ouch. Ah, all right. Ooh, that hurt. Well, that's in there. Now we'll put the battery tie down in, or hold down. And that was the 13mm. And that battery ain't going nowhere. Ooh, that hurt. Now we'll just put the terminals on. Just take the black cover off. The positive's got this little thing here. I always like just to turn it around so I have it. You saw on my old battery, I still had the original one. Everything's good. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just clean these a little bit. Just take the oxidation off. Make sure I get a good contact. Let me get that. Good and tight. Dust cover back on. Reinstalled. Kind of dirty. Need to really wash this. Wow, is that really it? So simple. Now I just need to put the other piece back on, and we are done. So let's see if the new battery is. Let's see what the new battery's got. There we go. Everything looks good. And let her rip. Oh yeah, it's alive! There we go. Alright, it's alive. Battery change was successful. Hope we don't get any more of those warnings saying that the battery was low. And that solves our problem. Yeah, that's good. That was a quick project I needed to do today. Need to get that battery in there, get it swapped out, keep the truck running good on the road. Another successful DIY Willy project. Leave a comment, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and come back.